Hello, everyone. My name is Lakia Malcolm, and I am a graduating nursing student at Widener University. It is an honor to be given this speech representing the Accelerated Chester Group. Before I begin, I would like to first thank my mother, Lorna, and my brother, Giovanni, for their continuous love and support. I would like to thank my friends, Shayana, Benator, Destiny, and Shelby for continuing to check in on me and encouraging me to finish strong when there were times I wanted to give up. I want to thank my church family for keeping me in their thoughts and prayers throughout my journey being a nursing student. Most of all, thank you, God, for allowing me to complete this path and giving me the strength to continue. As a non-traditional nursing student, I was nervous about starting nursing school. Being out of school for over a year to come back, learning material at a fast pace was intimidating. Throughout my journey, I can honestly say the good outweighed the bad. Starting nursing school in the middle of a pandemic was challenging. My cohort dealt with experiencing classes on Zoom, virtual simulation, and we did not have the traditional classroom experience to interact face-to-face with faculty in the beginning. We quickly had to adjust to the new environment. It was not until the spring 2021 semester that my cohort was able to interact in person through clinical and lab. We have been able to work together in both class and clinical, and as the time progressed, we became close, gaining lifelong friendships. As we prepare for graduation and in our time at Widener, I want to give you all a quote from Michelle Obama. Success isn't about how much money you make, it's about the difference you make in the world. As we enter our new paths, let us remember how far we came and what it took to be in this room today. We have grown into future nurse leaders. We have cried, we struggled, we made friendships, but most importantly, we did it. We have the power and the knowledge to touch the lives of many individuals while gaining an understanding of diversity, equity, and inclusion. I want to thank all of the Widener nursing professors for helping me throughout my education. Thank you, Professor Foley, for always supporting my cohort and promoting stress-reduced activities and the importance of self-care. I will miss the YouTube videos. Thank you, Dr. J and Professor Carmichael, for the numerous tutoring sessions and being excellent resources in and out of the classroom. Thank you, Dr. Evans, for believing in my cohort when it came to our knowledge synthesis class. We were so nervous about this class and what was at stake. You constantly reminded us that we were capable of doing anything we put our mind to and provided us support and review tips. Thank you, Tracy Spicer, for being one of the best clinical instructors at Widener. I have learned so much from you, and you help expose your students to a variety of skills in the clinical setting. I remember meeting Professor Kofer during the Accelerated Informational back in January 2020 via Zoom. Professor Kofer continued to advocate for us while creating a safe space when we were at our lowest points. He made sure that we picked ourselves back up and continued to find alternatives to reach our goals. I can't believe how fast these 5 semesters have gone. Now I have the pleasure to be in this space with my fellow classmates and faculty. Look to the person to your left and look to the person to your right. The time has flown by. I ask you all to cherish the memories you created at Widener. Nursing school is not easy, and each and every one of you should be proud for making it this far. We will always be Widener pride. Please raise a glass and help me celebrate the class of 2022. Here's to us.
Thank you, Lakia. At this time, I'd like to introduce Dr. Norma Jean Colby, who's going to be reading the names and award recipients.
I would like to ask everyone to hold your applause till the very end so that our families who are watching live stream can be sure to hear, and we'll do that at the end. Thank you. Rita Abrahamian. Haley Adler. Sarah Etten. Jessica Aguano. Alyssa Anderson. Samantha Armano. Lainey Baldino. Samantha Baldwin Arroyo. Yolanda Baños Dominguez. Casey Barnes, also the recipient of the Sigma Theta Tau International Eta Beta Chapter President's Award. Brianna Bartlett. Nicholas Baronato. Musu Belidi. Mariah Billy. Madison Blyler. Lauren Blemmings. Chantel Bobak. Hunter Bonnie. Julia Bonamo, also the recipient of the Catherine E. Melmert Award. Avika Borgella, also the recipient of the Lillian B. Wall Community Health Award, the Betty Wayne Award for Care of the Child Rearing Family, and the Sigma Theta Tau International Eta Beta Chapter Outstanding Student Performance in Clinical Practice. Sean Bosch. Alexis Bolding. Holly Bradley. Amber Bretz. Jacqueline Buffin. Skylar Buonadonna. Jessica Burke. Elsie Bird. Malia Calciano. Erin Callahan. Winona Dale Campo. Juliet Capitola. Deshawn Carr. Arlie Cesarone. Michaela Chapman. Michaela Conway. Anna Cooney, also the recipient of the Student Athletic Award. Gianna Crawford. Casey Cunningham. Samantha DeFalco. Julia Delaney. Emily DeLuca. Sophia Denisi. Claudia DePlato. Joseph de Blasio. Megan DiDomenico. Alexandra DeFlorio. James Dolan. Haley Donnelly. Olivia Doran. Jacqueline Dunleavy. Arlene Elwell. Emma Esteves. Gianna Faya. Matthew Fatiga. Harley Fenstermacher. Amanda Fields. Kathleen Fisher. Jenny Flood. Sophia Folio. Haley Fossbenner. Angelina Franceschini. Gianna Fraterola. Samantha Freeling. Victoria Freeling. Thomas Froyo. Anna Marie Funchen. Brianna Garcia. Angie Deded George. Amira German. Alamnesh Gizucho, also the recipient of the R. Kenneth Johnson Memorial Award. Haley Golden. Andriana Graberis. Jessica Griffith. Sierra Gwaltney. Brendel Hankins. Sarah Haney. Rachel Horn. Sarah Hurley. Rosetta Irving. Holly Jones. Lindsay Jones. Casey Jordan. Cecilia Catkavage. Madison Keller. Morgan Kent. Jade Klein. Madeline Knightley. Abigail Cook. Madison Cook. Catlin Creedler. Paige Lampy. Egan Lane. Maura Leary. Brianna Lewis Mancuso. Brianna Listman. Aaron Lee. Lakia Malcolm. Gabriella Malia. Memphis Martin, also the recipient of the Undergraduate Dean's Award, the Dr. Teresa L. Lynch Award, and the R. Kenneth Johnson Memorial Award. Sarah Mayer. Caroline McCoy, also the recipient of the Lillian B. Wall Community Health Award, the Sigma Theta Tau International Eta Beta Chapter Outstanding Student Performance in Leadership Award, the Undergraduate Nursing Research Utilization Award, and the Widener Community Nursing Clinic Service Award. Olivia McDonald. Allison McDowell. Chelsea McNeil. Kayla McNeil. Gina Mecca. Garrett Mayo. Maria Mikos. Jenna Miller. Emily Minix. Ashley Moore. Nicole Napoli. Michaela Nicolini. Ivana Nin. Omaji O'Day. Gabrielle Honorati. Uriah Padilla. Jennifer Palace. Madison Panic, also the recipient of the Pediatric Excellence in Care Award. Daniel Paparelli, also the recipient of the Undergraduate Dean's Award and the Pediatric Excellence in Care Award. Amber Pariseau. Garrett Parthamore. Anand Patel. Olivia Pennypacker. Gianna Perna. Mason Flew. Aaron Phelan. Naomi Pitkoff. Zachary Politarhos. Nathan Randazzo. Alexandria Reed. Emma Riceley. Victoria Ribaldo. Julia Ricada. Juliana Ritter. Gianna Rivera. Daylin Riveron. Courtney Robertson. Nicole Robinson. Ethan Rocky. Melissa Romanek. Daniel Ross. Allison Rossman, also the recipient of the Complex Care Award. Awasako. Elena Salmon. Cameron Samuel. Olivia Serial. Madison Schwegler. Emily Segura. Melissa Sheehan. Kendra Siegfried. Danielle Simpson. Kirsten Smith. Kathleen Sora. Mira Sowinski. Andrew Spencer. Olivia Sturgis. Grace Sorman. Autumn Tarkanish. Jacqueline Teitelbaum. Katrina Thomas. Denise Thompson. Rebecca Topeka. Amanda Trotter. Carly Bennett. Amanda Wagner. Rachel Wade, also the recipient of the Class of 1970 Award and the Widener University Student Nurses Association Outstanding Dedication Award. Christina Wallace. Maria Jose Wheat. Andrew Winters. Congratulations on behalf of the School of Nursing. Give yourself a well-deserved round of applause. And now I'd like to introduce Dr. Rose Rossi, who will read the Nightingale Pledge with you and facilitate your lighting of the lamp.
I will not light my lamp and pass the flame to, I will now light my lamp and pass the flame to you. As I do so, please crack the candle in your bag. Hold your lamp in flame like this. We will now recite the Nightingale Pledge together. Please repeat after me. Please stand up. Okay. In full knowledge of the task I am undertaking, I promise to take care of the sick with all the skills and understanding I possess, without regard to race, creed, color, politics, or social status, bearing no effort to conserve life, to alleviate suffering, and promote health. I will respect at all times the dignity and religious beliefs of the patients entrusted in my care, holding in confidence all personal information entrusted to me, and refraining from any action which might endanger life or health. I will endeavor to keep my professional knowledge and skills at the highest level and give loyal support and cooperation to all members of the healthcare team. Please be seated. Widener nurses, and yes, you are nurses. Your faculty and fellow alum welcome you into the profession of nursing. Go forth and lead the way. Graduates, please give a round of applause to thank your families and friends for their support during your educational journey. Congratulations again, class of 2022. Graduates, please remain in your seats until after the faculty process out, and then please join us for a reception in the back of the auditorium. Let's not.